You own any version of the timber, from this evolution all the way back to the first version and the Timber X, you're very familiar with how weak these springs are. The twin timber comes with much stronger springs and eliminates that plastic fastener in the middle. To get this kit that I use to retrofit my timber, you need to buy two things. One is the springs, and the other are those little brass, I call them washers, that you can get by ordering the springs and the twin timber hardware kit. It comes with a lot of other stuff. It's only about $15 or $20. And the hardware kit comes with those washers and a different set of axles, longer axles that are required because of the fact that these new gear springs require those washers at the end, on the landing gear end, and those were not there on the original. So two pieces, and I'll put a link to the part numbers in the description of this video. I think this is going to once and for all eliminate broken springs on my Timber Evolution. There is another breakage point, and that is right here. If you land this timber where it hits these gear, hit an obstruction, you got any kind of speed up, this will break right here. And the gear will go back and you'll have some foam repairs to make. But my experience with that has been pretty positive. I had it happen on a previous timber that I owned, and some hot glue, generous pieces of, or blobs of hot glue all across the fuselage here underneath, put it back together, and it never broke again. But I can't tell you how many sets of springs I've bought for timbers, probably 5 or 6 at least. And in fact, if you decide to do this, I got an extra set or two I'd be willing to send you. Just give me an address, because I'm not going to need them anymore. Thanks for watching, and hope this helps you with your timber spring problems.